Stop wasting time trying to locate and manage your project's resources. With SiteSense tools, assets, and equipment management software, you can easily deploy them at the construction site with accurate, up-to-date information, helping you reduce costs and increase productivity. Our cloud-based platform facilitates the process of assigning equipment, tools, and company assets to workers, crews, subcontractors, and jobs. It helps you keep track of maintenance and inspection routines and allows you to track your equipment with certified sensors and IoT data collection. Users can quickly identify what worker, crew, job, or contractor their company tools, assets, and equipment are checked out to. GPS locations of project resources are visible on a map of the job site to provide additional visibility, and workers can eliminate the pieces that are no longer needed to avoid underutilization and maximize their use. With date and time-stamped activity logs, corporate and project users add transparency to the process and have easy access to their project's usage of tools and equipment across their company. Our SiteSense users have reported up to 15% reduction in tool replacement costs, 10% drop in administrative costs, and 8% increase in field productivity. Increase visibility and reduce replacement costs by using a single platform to manage and track all your project resources with SiteSense tools, assets, and equipment management. Book a demo today.